How to customize your edge panels in your Android. Now, if you want to customize your edge panels on your Android, just simply go to your settings app and then scroll down until you find the option of display. Now just simply tap to display option, and after going in here, again scroll down to find the option of edge panels. Now just simply open edge panels, and after going in this section, you will need to look for the option of handle. Now just simply tap to handle option, and now from this section you can easily customize your edge panels, including positions. You can choose left and right from here. Just shift your edge panels wherever you want, and you can also lock the handle positions from here. Otherwise you can leave it as it is not that important. And after that you can pick the color for your edge panels according to your need, and you can select transparency from low to very high, and after that change the size from small to very large, and then you can also select the width from thin, middle and thick. Just simply select the customization as you want, and this is how you customize edge panels. I hope this video was informative to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.